So in the last video, we have discussed how we can take screenshot using JavaScript executor and JavaScript. In this video, we are going to take the help of a excellent API that is known as AShot from Yandex, and this is by far the best solution that I have found so far. So let's try to look into this. So the very first thing that you have to do is that you can either use a Maven project. You can create a Maven project. Go to download a short Java jar and make sure that you are downloading the latest one. So this 1.1 is not the latest one, so try to get this from the Maven repository and not from any other third-party site. So once you open that, you will see that there is a new version that is available. Click on that. If you are creating a standalone test suite like me, then you can download jar. If you are using Maven or any other build tool, then you can take the corresponding dependency and add it to your pom.xml or whatever the file, the build file that you have. So I have downloaded the jar. You can see that the latest is 1.5.2, and once you have downloaded that, I have created jars and I have copied the AShot jar to this. And once you have copied that, right click on the project, go to build path and go to configure build path. Into the libraries, click on add jars and expand the project and see where actually you have where you have placed just a second. Add jars. Why is it not showing? Just give me a second. I think I am in Java. Sorry about that. Just give me a second. Right click on this, go to build path, configure, add jars, expand this. Hold on a second. What happened to this? Am I in the right one? Okay, for time being, you can add external jar file. I don't want to spend a lot of time there. Not sure for what reason it is. Oh, the reason that it is not showing is that because I have already added. Okay, so if I try to remove this, if I try to add jars, then it should show me. So that was a stupid mistake that I have done. So click on that and click on apply and OK. So once you have done that, the very first very important thing that has to be done is that you have done. Okay, and the next thing is that I have created a Java file with the name screenshot ashot.java, and I have already pre-populated some of the code. I don't want to spend a lot of time here because we have already gone a couple of videos with the same. So I have set the system property for the Chrome driver, and then I have opened the Chrome driver and maximized that and passed the espncricinfo.com. By now you should be knowing that is one of my very favorite websites. So once I'm here, the next thing that you have to do is that take advantage of the AShot API. And for to do that, just give me a second, guys. I know that there could be a lot of disturbance because of this. I hope now the audio is clear. So once you are on this page, you have to create an object of AShot. Okay, and if you open that, just give me a second. Okay, for some reason it is not showing. Hold on a second. Is just give me a second. What happened here? Yeah, and I'm not sure what happened there. Okay, now you got that. So you have to create an object of AShot. Okay, so once you have created an object of AShot, you hover on this by pressing Control if you are on the Windows, or Command if you are on the Mac, and click on this, and you will see that this is a very concrete class and it has got so many methods inside this. For this demo, we are going to use a couple of these methods. The first one is shooting strategy, and the second one is one of these take screenshot method. Okay, so once you are on this, once you have created an object of a shot, then you have to take advantage of shooting strategy, which will help you to take the screenshots. Okay, so the screenshot, the shooting strategy, if you see this still returns the object of a shot only. Okay, so and here inside this I have to pass the strategy. Okay, for that I'm going to take advantage of strategies. I'm very bad at these spellings. Just give me a second. I'm very bad at that. What happened there? Okay, not sure what's happening there, why it is not showing. Oh, sorry, it's not strategies, it's shooting strategies. Oh, my bad. Yeah, I'm very bad at that. Okay, shooting strategies, and inside that we have a lot of methods. I'm going to take the help of viewport pasting, because I want to paste each and every screenshot that I am taking, so it will automatically take care of. You don't have to worry about this. Just take this static method, viewport pasting, and pass the scroll timeout. Okay, in how many seconds that you want to scroll, the scroll to be timed out. So I'm just giving some random number here, and once we have this, then the next thing is that we are scrolling, right? By doing this shooting strategy and passing this viewport pasting, we are basically saying that we are scrolling, for each and every iteration. And the next thing is that we have to take a screenshot, right? And then it will paste. You take a screenshot, it will paste. You take a screenshot, it will paste. So you take take screenshot and pass the driver object. Okay, and if you see what the take screenshot returns, it returns a screenshot. It returns an object of screenshot. So take it into screenshot, and make sure that you import this from proper package. In this case it is ru.andex.qatools.ashot. So once you have imported that, then you have created an object of screenshot. The next thing is that we are going to take advantage of one of the JavaX classes, that is image.io, and I'm going to take advantage of the write method, the static write method. And you can go with by either one of these, but right now I'm going with these parameters: rendered image, string, and file. Okay, the rendered to get the rendered image out of this screenshot, it's very simple. You now there is a method called get image that returns a buffered image. So by that way you get the rendered image, and the format is what format that you want to have. This is a string, so you have to give it in double quotes, and the output where actually you want to save this file. So I'll say view file, new file. Sorry, and I want to save this under screens. Okay, that is the same old folder that we are having, so I want to save it in the same, and I want to give it a name, and I'll say result dot png. Okay, so that is all. You don't have to do anything else. Yeah, one last thing, you have to import the file. Okay, without importing you will not get. Let me, I don't like these kind of spacings. Okay, so let me format this. Okay, so pretty much a couple of lines of code, hardly, right? Nothing complex in this. Once you have that, just try to run this as a Java application. The error is not from this package, it's from a different package. You see this, it's from a different package, so you can still continue with that. So if you open this, it will launch some Java applet. You don't need to worry about that. It will be taken care by itself. Okay, just give it a second. You see that it has opened some Java applet. You shouldn't be worried about that. So you see that how fast it is scrolling. Within fraction of seconds it has taken the complete screenshot. No, I'm not kidding, I'm serious. Okay, let me refresh this, and if you expand this, open that, you see that we have got the entire page screenshot, and I don't have to use all those JavaScript executor, JavaScript, and once I get all those, I have to stitch all those together. No, you don't have to go through all those headaches. It's a wonderful API. I really appreciate Yandex for coming up with such a wonderful API. And guys, please take advantage of this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me in the comment section. And thanks for watching. In the following video, I will show you there's one more way, but it's not the exact screenshot that it will take. It's kind of whatever that is actively visible to the user, it just takes that screenshot. But I just wanted to show that as well, because that is another way that you can capture screenshots using the Java programming language. So that is all for this video. Thanks for watching.